Ni hao. And this lecture is continue the lesson, which is a grasp sparrow's tail. And in Chinese name is Lan Che Wei. Lan, holding. Che, bird. Wei is tail. Actually, just grasp bird's tail. So, and these movements, and you have the right and then the left. And because it's kind of long, we're gonna do use 2 lectures to finish the move. And one's to the right, and the other one to the left, at opposite way. And let's start. Let me show you the move first. And the last time we're ending up is brush knees, which brush knees on the left. So this is the movement, the whole thing. But this movement has 4 parts, which is blocking, up, and pull down, press, and then push. So these 4 parts, and starting the blocking, this is similar to the park horse's mane. Park horse's mane, the hands up. And this one, it just the arm up. The power point is on outside the forearms, right here. And the left hand is pulling down the right hand, blocking up. So from here is when you block, it shift for the forward. And the second one, pull and put the hands up and pull down. When you pull down, it shifts the weight to the back. From here on, put 2 hands up to the right corner. So to the right. Let the palm facing in. 2 palms facing in from the right corner. The right hand on the top, the left hand on the bottom, but palm facing in, and pull down while you're shifting to the back. From here and pull back. That's the pull. You would reach first, then pull down. From the beginning, part arms, reach, and pull. The third one is press forward. From here on, and shift to the front again. That's become your front. And shift to the front, and put the left hand on the right wrist, like a cross hands, supporting your wrist. So from here, press. reach, pull, press. So 2 hands never stop turning. And from here, block, and then reach, palms in, and pull down. Turn the palms. Put your left hand on the right wrist. And supporting just right in front of your chest. And shift the weight forward, that's press. And the 4th one is roll back and push. From here on, the inside hand, the left hand, reach out. 2 hands facing down. See, from here, turn your palms down and separate your hands and roll back and push. When you roll back, shift the weight to the back leg. Roll back and then shift the weight to the front when you push. And from here, and press, roll back, and then push. As you can see, the string is coming from the back leg. Roll and bend, and then transfer your weight to the front knee. Let's do it from the beginning. And with brush knees. This one is a transition to the move, which is in pull back, pivot your left foot in, pull back, and then hold the ball to the left. Brush knees, pull back, and hold the ball to the left, and step forward, park the arm. Now reach, pull, press, roll, and push. And all these movements, pull, push, press, whatever, just shift your weight back and forth, forward and backwards. So let's start over. Brush knees. Pull back and hold the ball. Step, park the arm. Reach, pull, press, roll, and push. When you push, about your chest height, in front of your chest, right there, and no higher than your, not going up to your face. About your shoulder height. So this is the lecture for grab sparrow's tail to the right. 谢谢。